pay for my acquisition and I was supposed to get hard money for the rehab. But I convinced him basically he's gonna pay for the acquisition and the rehab. I don't pay him any interest, no registration fee. But after refi, we pay him back. He has 10% share in this property.
That is really.
So it's, this the way I got my other property was just straight hard money. So you should always ask and try to think of another way to acquire the property with least of your money, because your rate of return is actually higher if you use less of your money than putting in all your money. So that's how I acquired the property. I actually closed it on Thursday. We were supposed to close 2 weeks ago. My offers are very strong. It's 5 days. Due diligence is very short, especially what they say is as is. I'm a contractor, so when I go there, I can just kind of assess it quickly. Doesn't mean it's 100% correct, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of issues that pop up once we open up things. That stuff does happen. But it was a quick transaction, and if your offer is strong with strong terms, you have a better chance of landing that property.